Yo, there was some issues with my there were some issues with my Wi-Fi network, and guess what? The live stream ended. Chat disconnected. Successfully connected, but again, all of a sudden the live stream ended. I'm not sure if you can get back at this. Let's see. Yo, bro, there were some issues with my Wi-Fi. It disconnected automatically. Like my whole Wi-Fi thing. So I had to start it from scratch. So I reconnected again. Yeah, I was offline for some time, seconds, for some seconds. Let's see, our code is there uploaded. Let's see if everything is working or not. Our code. How to know if it's working? I'll use serial monitor, connecting to Wi-Fi, connecting to MPT. Okay, so I'll command F. I think it's working. I'll reset this. Connecting to Wi-Fi. It should connect. Connecting to MQTT, connected. Okay, MQTT server is ready. Then if I press, just copy this link, paste this in a browser, and there is your Arduino ID. Okay, it's working. If I press forward, it sends F, R, backward, stop, then left, stop, right, backward. So it means that this thing is working properly. So I'll connect, I will attach this behind. After connecting this, then we are ready to go. We'll do some extra changes here because you guys, if you guys know about that, I said we will use servo motors and robotic arm. We will make a robotic arm. I think I should show you camera. Okay, so I just connected the final wheel, final motor, and here are all four motors. Along with this, I have to build a robotic arm. Okay, you can see this is a rover. I'm planning to connect this motor driver right here. What do you think? Should I place it here or somewhere else? Bro, will you work whole night? I have to, bro. I have no other option. Not really whole night, but I think if I was not streaming tonight, if I was just working on this project, I would have finished this whole project in less than 2 hours. Yeah, less than 2 hours easily, bro. Right now I'm streaming and I have to keep you guys entertained, so it takes little bit time to build such. Like I have to sit properly here. Hello, Virendra Dada. Hi, Divine Science. Welcome. So, you guys don't know because my faculty's third seme's project tomorrow. And guess what? I took all the components apart to build something else. And so I have no other option tonight. I have to build it all from scratch. And we are almost, not really almost, but 50% work is done. The code is here. Everything is all right. Right now, all we have to do is make a robotic arm, a little bit changes in code for that robotic arm. That's it. And yeah, I forgot about the sense. I'll add. Bro, what is this material are you using? This is acrylic foam board. Some people call it acrylic foam board. Some people call it sunboard. I don't know what they call it area. But if you search about it online, find people call it acrylic foam board or sunboard. So I need to shift from this material to 3D prints, bro. Been very long time I have been using. I feel like I'm stuck here with basic stuff. I mean, I'm learning. I'm learning PCB designing. I'm learning some coding, but progress is slow, I guess. Deny that. But also sometimes it feels like it's not my fault really because I have to manage college. I have to do academics and all. Family time. Okay, now we have to do connect wires. These two wires right here and sides wires to uh, this side of motor driver. Okay, let's get started. So should I solder it all together or should I just connect it through screws? I should go with soldering. Bro, instead of that wire cutter, wire stripper, I just use my teeth, bro, because it's faster than wire stripper. Okay, but first of all, I need to check if the are spinning or in opposite direction. Okay, so this battery is dead. Battery's fault or something's wrong with this motor or wheel. Now let's see. I was right. Something is wrong with this motor. Let's check again. Okay, so the extra glue. There is extra glue I need to remove. before I proceed further. Yeah, bro, I barely get time. Like, I like to stream and all, but due to all other stuff, also recently I started attending hackathons. Okay, it's working. Cool. Thank you, bro. Divine Science. College is little bit hectic though. Like, I attend college. I try to maintain my attendance, but it's little bit hard to maintain college, bro. When you finally finish this, please. Okay, I will put this in story. No problem. You can sleep. Good night. If you are going to sleep. Okay, this is working. Let's check direction of this. Okay, we can connect these two together. Why did Aman? I'm not sure, bro. I was so busy with my own stuff. I barely got time to check group, so I don't even know about this. Really? Maybe he thought it's not worth it. Yeah, I mean, can be the reason. I ripped off this wire once. Wires with my teeth. Hey, mm, need to solder this all together, but we'll do that later. First, I'll make all the connections. Then we will go to should leave some extra wires here because you know it will be easy if I have to face. Okay, guys. Well, I haven't done anything. Yeah, maybe might be the reason there is no extra in it. Actually, I had a lot of plans, bro, but again, the same thing that I barely get time. I feel guilty sometimes that I started this, but I should little bit give some efforts in the community, because also it was my will to meet like-minded people and discuss, build, tinker together. We can do some stuff, bro. Like, I'm busy with this hackathons and all, but all other members can do something. Like, someone can create a page with same name of this, not really same, yeah, but with a unique name, and we all can post there our projects. We all can post our opinions there, through stories, through posts. Those guys who don't know, we are talking about a community we have on Instagram, where we talk about technology, robots, mechatronics, similar projects, and it's fun. You guys can join it if you want. Just follow me on Instagram and DM me about regarding this group community, and I will add you. There are some busy people too, like if you talk about Ritesh, he's in school, I guess. Bro, you know what? Day by day, engineering is getting hectic, very hectic. It's getting harder and harder from every aspect, from academic wise, from our exams are getting harder and harder. It's getting harder and harder to attend lectures, as I posted on my story days ago. Also, after this, I think tonight I have to work on research paper. We in my team we are working on a research paper. I have to give time to my research paper. What about that? Okay, it's too much work here. Like after this, get these servo motors, SG19, SG90. I was thinking big black servo G995 at the size of this rover. Still, I'll use 1995. He's in class 8 level. Yeah, he's very ahead. Also, in previous tree there was a kid. Uh, name was Astitwa, and he was also like really good. Said he builds projects and like same as I do, school students. Ritesh is really good. He has knowledge in 3D printing, in remote controls. Also, he knows a lot about microcontrollers and drones. I want him to build some more stuff and post on social media or any platform like uh, communities like Instructable, Arduino.cc. Okay, I should turn off my glue gun and Get started with soldering again. Actually, I was planning to use two node MCUs and use Blink platform to control this whole rover, but I was like, instead of using Blink, I'll use only one uh, node MCU, and instead of Blink, I'll create my own web page to control this. So, uh, I have created a server MQTT cluster. I created cluster, then I did some vibe coding using ChatGPT, as you all guys know I do. Okay, I need to isolate these connections nodes. You guys are still up watching me at 12:30 a.m. That's really I'm grateful for this. But you guys can sleep if you want. Like I want to sleep really bad, but I have to finish this. Otherwise, my professor will kill me. Okay, let's get started with. Uh, make a small paper. Use hot glue and curl it up to isolate the. Okay. Actually, I have. What do you call that? Electric tape. That black one. So at the end, I will isolate with electric tape. But this is also good idea. Paper. It's little bit more too. Okay, that's it. Then the other side. Up morning for me. I just returned my family business and oh, I'll start working on my project. Bro, did you even sleep? What's your schedule like? For me, almost same. I get super active after 9 p.m. I work so good. If I'm working on something, then 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. is the best time. It's really quiet in here and stay focused on whatever I'm doing. But after that, I sleep from 3 4 a.m. to 10 or 11 a.m. in the morning in broad daylight. Oh, I think I have did some mistakes here. Mm, not so big problem. Adjustment. They are done. What about this? Okay, now then we will get to the coding part again to add servo motors, DHT11 servo motors. Bro, I might skip sleep for a day as I don't get time to on my project. So, oh, take care of your health, bro. I do almost same, but I feel little bit dizzy if I don't sleep for at least I need 5 to 6 hours of sleep. 5 hours at least. Okay, so I was thinking to use this MG995, but again, this rover is very small as compared to my other rovers. So I'm thinking of using SG90, but you guys know about this. SG90 has very low torque and power. Better. Now we have the gripper and last part of our arm ready here. I need I'm planning to do it like this. MG95 right here, and like this. I'll add one more motor. G, not really MG. I'll use SG90, or should I use MG995? First of all, I need to motors because I'm not sure are working in working condition or not. But before that, let's finish this thing this L29. Okay, and also the problem is I don't have my new glue gun right now. Uh, my friend just took it for the decoration in his house and he's not returning it. So Abhishek, if you are watching this, bro, please give me my glue gun back. I have this old glue gun. Takes much time. And the trigger is not. Yeah. I'm not sure the brand. I bought it from a local store for like uh 250 or 300 rupees. I used it for more. I think this is enough. Looking good though. Now I just need to work on my robotic arm thing. That's it. Tomorrow at sharp 9 a.m. I have to present it in of my faculties. Then there is a committee called NBA. They are going to visit our college, and as a representative of our department, I have to be there with my all of my projects from my control bots to this rover, whatever I have. Bro, I don't like this thing about my college, bro. They need me whenever there is a committee or something like that. But when it comes to like attendance or so help me out with, I will work on projects, I will do hackathons and stuff. What they do is they want both. They want to finish, they want me to finish assignments and all. They want me to attend lectures every day, like 75% attendance. Also they want me to do I have no problem, but concession with academics, and I will give my best in all this type of stuff. Okay, so we are done with this. Earlier I used to cheap equipment, but after realizing no one's work like charm, I switched to expensive ones. That's true though. That's true. Bro, once I get like once I start earning from social media, I'm gonna spend all that money on projects. Give me a second, guys. Okay, what robotic arm. So should I use MG99 for you, or should I go with SG99, SG90? Go with MG99. Great tools. Yeah. Also, it's very much hassle with handling these tools. Go with MG995. Let me check if this motor is working or not. Because I have a lot of servo motors. Not a lot, but I have some servo motors, and most of them are damaged. Uh, Damaged with gears. I had some servo motors from. Don't power directly. No, no, I'm not going to power directly. I am thinking of using voltage regulator. Wait, and I will provide 5.99 volts. This one. Thinking of using this one, and I'll use lithium ion batteries to power up this whole thing. Okay. Uh, what do you think? Two batteries in series. Is it enough power? Like 7.4 volts. Two batteries in series, like for four DC motors, gear motors, BO motors, and for three servo motors. Is it enough? Yo, I need to cell holder. I'm finding some components. Give me some time. Okay, first off, I will just taste these servo motors, bro. I'll upload sketch. I'll upload servo motor sketch. Example sketch. Is Arduino. What are you doing now? Uh, I'm discussing some stuff tomorrow's, like how should we present this bot with my team member, and that's it. Okay. First of all, let's test this. I think I had a connector I made recently. Ago. Okay, got it. The connector I use for servo motors. Can you turn on super chats? Actually, I want to turn on the super chats, but I'm not eligible due to criteria, watch time criteria. Yeah, I should have at least 4,000 hours of watch time in last 365 days. And as I'm not consistent here on any social media platform, I can't monetize my channel. So I had another one this, or should I just cut this off? Let's try this. Hi, do you play chess? No, bro. Actually, if I get more consistent with my craft or whatever I do, I can achieve more. Like, why not? Not sure, bro. I never played chess. You know what? And I want to learn it so bad, but I don't know why I don't play chess. And you know what? Nowadays I don't even watch movies. After 12th, I got here for engineering. I stopped watching movies. I need like 2 to 3 days to watch a 1 hour movie. What do we call that effect? Due to social media that we lost the attention span. Yeah, it's happening with me. What major? I'm in electronics and telecommunication. ENTC. Why I'm work. uploading code and fire. I watch it when I need inspiration. Okay, let me check it real quick. Did you say? I think nice though. Rating is also good. Christopher. Hey. Is it related to like engineering or startup culture or something from Silicon Valley? Storyline, okay. Computing boom, okay, got it. An engineer and prodigy whose innovations directly come for corporate. Okay. Okay, so early days of internet and all, right? I'll watch it, bro, for sure. Right now, I'm watching Scott Pilgrim Takes Up. You know about that? You are in mechanical engineering. I'm in third year. I'm in fifth semester. So start of the third year. Right now, recently I started series Scott Pilgrim Takes Up till or fourth or fifth episode. Okay, something is wrong with this. All I want to is just test if promoter is working or I feel like working. Yeah, it's working. I'm in third sem of mechanical thermodynamics. Sucks, bro. You know what? My roommates are in mechanical engineering. As you can see, my back there is a big mechanical sign out. Both of my roommates are from engineering. They are in their final year. They are in seventh semester, and these guys are bro really talented. Do uh they build cars and stuff like off-road cars for competition. Their CGPA is good. One of my roommate has done internship at ISRO. Is if you guys know about that. If you guys don't know about ISRO, is Indian Space Research Organization. I'm not sure about that, bro. Okay, so this guy is in mechanical engineering. Come here. Okay, so this is my roommate, and he is in mechanical. अजून तिकडेचा. Okay. Okay, guys, I think I have chosen the wrong Arduino board to test this servo motors. To be famous. यावेळी कसलं? Can you ask him for some tips how to survive thermodynamics, bro? There is a question for you. How to survive thermodynamics? He is in third semester of mechanical engineering. You should have basic concepts clear and uh, concepts from physics, and what else? What else? Practical work. What's your CGPA? Okay, forget about CGPA. What is your performance in thermodynamics? What? Okay, 100 out. Okay, so this guy got 72 out of 100. If you consider this as a good score, then keep his advice. Or if you think 72 out of 100 sucks, then you should not listen to him. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm uploading code in this Arduino board to test these servo motors. And again, the bro, this cheap Arduino board suck, bro. Uh, he's a Chad. He's a Chad. You are a Chad. And this guy is also uh, vice captain of our college motorsport team called Dipset Vectors, and they build that buggy like, yeah, buggy, you can call it buggy. They build it for competition purpose. Okay, I'm trying to upload this code. I'm facing a lot of problems with this Arduino. Not sure. Good. So it's a compliment for you. He just came back from workshop. You know what? Just came back from workshop or college. He stays up till like 2 3 a.m. in the. Okay, I had a lot of Arduino boards, but not sure this is not working. Okay, let's see if it works again. All I want to do is just check if these servo motors are working, then I will proceed with my rover. That's it. Yo guys, if you don't know about my, follow on my. Okay, the code has uploaded. Master mathematics, yeah, master mathematics, bro, because uh I'm not that good at mathematics, and I'm the best one to give you this advice that master mathematics from the start. परत कॉलेजवर चाललीस? Okay, so this motor is working. So I'm kinda confused at what you are building. Okay, so I'll just give you a context. I'm working on this rover. This is a 4WD IoT controlled rover. I have used 4 BO motors, normal gear motors. Then this is a L2910 motor driver, and this is little microcontroller called Wemos D1 Mini, which is like a tiny node MCU, and that's it. And what I'm right now doing is I'm adding a robotic arm here, a DIY robotic arm. Only 3D OA because I have to finish this tonight. I don't even have enough time for this. I have to present it tomorrow at 9 a.m. So I have only 8 hours. And it took me 2 walls full of math formulas to learn it for now. And that's it. No, and I learned it all by myself from internet, YouTube, Google, Instructable, Arduino.cc. There are so many communities and websites. That's it. They did not teach anything. Okay, I'll just proceed with these two servo motors. Fuck it all. You know what? Why I'm building this? Not because I want to, because they want me to present this to community, a committee in our college. That's it. That's the main reason. All this for the just a 10 minutes presentation. By the way, where are you from, Outlaw? I think you are new one here. Like I have never seen you on my live stream. Bro, I really want to work on my that project, which I presented, I guess, on, or I told you about that. Okay, bye bye. Good night. I'm streaming after so long time. Streaming settings are correct or not? Like all the bitrate and all, upload speed, bitrate. Okay, check this out. This is the sketch, and it works with MQTT properly. I'm using Hive MQ Cloud, and it is also working properly. I tried connecting it, and it worked. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time. I'll just use ChatGPT. Don't think I do SG90 servos. Secondly, attached one extra. I need only two SG90. So I'm just a little bit confused right now. So recently I went to a hackathon and I met one of my followers, and it was really like wholesome moment. I felt so glad and grateful. Um, I was just checking out others' projects, and he was my competitor. I mean, we participated in hackathon. Saw me and he was like, "Bro, I saw your videos. I follow you. Felt so good, bro. I can't even explain. I was speechless. Like, bro." And he wasn't even from my city. He was from a different place. He was just there for hackathon, and he saw me and bro, I was like, "Damn, you recognized me." Then after that he said, I want to click a picture with you. I was like, bro, not even like, why would someone want to click a picture with me? Okay, this is the last part of our arm. I think I should have used super glue here instead of using hot glue. Transition. Uh, nah, this row is not good. I'll use another one. Okay, I think this one is also faulty. Okay, this one is good. Can use it. Then this MG995. It works. I'll just use it. I'm preparing for another hackathon. Eh, 3 rounds. And then the final one is 20-hour hackathon. So forget. I'll just use. And then yeah, that's what they do with me. Like there is no. I don't. It's against my will. I don't want to build this rover tonight. I was planning something else, but I have to because our professor said, bro, your project was good and you want it tomorrow for front of that committee. Don't even support. I mean, I won't say they don't support, but they don't help. Do something apart from regular college stuff. You'd help them out, bro. But all you care is uh, outdated syllabus. Your outdated syllabus, attendance, and your stupid assignments, which are not even assignments. It's just writing work, and you can't even complain about it. That's why I'm rushing with this rover. I heard that the committee, which come here, they examine our college and then they give some score or marks to our college. thing like that. The only thing good thing about my college is not even campus. It's just chill. Like life is slow here. I've been to other institutions and there was so many like there were students rushing, but here everything is so chill, bro. We don't even travel. My room is just behind my college. And town Kolhapur, uh, the vibe is slow and vibe is slow. The nature is good, so it's all like chill life here. When I've been to some like big cities, I understand the value of living in a small town. Like small town feels very like family. You know what I'm saying? For me, at least, big cities feel like damn, all these people, all these cars, traffic. I just don't feel home. But here in my district, it's so good. Like life is chill. Problem is exposure. If I stay here for lifetime, I will not get exposure, enough exposure, and know what I'm trying to say. Exposure is necessary. Yo, robotic arm, then I'll sleep, bro. I'm not gonna take this uh committee seriously. Bro, it's little bit scary to use soldering iron and glue gun around laptop. I'm so like I get anxiety. What if something happens with iron and it fries my laptop? Because recently my SSD got fried due to some Windows update. That's okay. So oh, wait. Yo guys, roommate reveal. Here's my another roommate. His name is Varad, and he was driver of our motorsport team college, and he's going to sleep. What? Wait, I'll just adjust the camera. lever mechanism. Fuck. Okay. Which one servo, bro? If you stick the small servo near the starting point. Right here. What do you mean by starting point? Here or here? I think you're talking about this part. This part, right? Closer to the MG9 and 5. There is a very big delay that sand stream. That's the reason. Right opposite to the MG9 and 5. Uh, do you mean right at this side, or should I get this motor closer to the MG995, or should I get? That's the only adjustment, and then I think we are good to go. Can you please elaborate little bit? Let me and use IG. Okay. Okay, guys. I think I drink some little bit water. Okay. got this code. Oh, before checking, I will and then go to robotic arm. Guys, if you don't know, I think this recently I got an order for final year project, which is a rover, internet controlled rover, slight bigger with some heavy duty motors and a lot of sensors and what I was gesture controlled. So that rover is going to be gesture controlled along with IoT controlled, equipped with a lot of sensors and some. I'm excited for that project. Turn this thing on. Let's see if it works. Okay, this thing is working. Let me. Okay, chat. It's working. Where's my OBS? Bro, remember I said this that I want to build a stream deck to switch tabs and all, like control my live stream. Send clear. I can make a short video and send it to you. Okay, bro, you have great knowledge. Why don't you start like explanation videos? Uh, 1 or 2 videos a week. One video a week, one 5 minutes video a week, where you are just sitting there, and explaining stuff like inverse kinematics. It can be anything, communication, inverse kinematics, related to components. Will help you to gain knowledge also. That's what happens with me. I come here on stream or everywhere. I present whatever I know and I'll learn some more than I know. In every event, every hackathon, online, there are so many good people who are into robotics, like and all. Uh, I'm in touch with great things. But the problem is, I'm not applying anything. There are so many people to guide me at the right path, but I'm not applying it. And obvious reason that I don't get time and all. But still, bro, I sometimes I feel bad that I can't apply everything. I install like recently I was designing PCBs. I was getting better at designing PCB, and then boom, I had exams frequently, and I couldn't focus on that. Same goes with 3D designing. I was learning Fusion. Me and my friend we learned some basics, and then we had something, I don't know, some events at college or something like that. And the consistency is the key. And guess what? I lost that key long ago. Okay, let's get back to this. I need to power up this servo motors. For that, I'm going to use this. First of all, I need to solder. So this is working. Test it. You guys can okay, my room is complete mess. I have boxes and components everywhere in my room. Like totally proper engineering student. I feel like that. Times I it's a movie related to engineering and I'm the main character. Okay, there are some issues with, and the obvious reason is chassis and I think the orientation of motors. Yeah, it is faster than Blink. Like not I mean my own web page, which I just created by using ChatGPT. Okay, I'll add some extra. Yeah, I just saved the code and I got which has code related to robotic arm. So let's try that one. So I have to add DHT11 and some MQ series sensor here, maybe MQ130 or MQ9. Forward, stop. Yo, control using WASD. Okay, I'll try this. Game. So what I'm doing is basically ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is also doing the same thing. It's just using HTML, simple HTML pages, and it is adding MQTT here. That's it. think I need to upload. Let's see. Oh, I end this. Continue. Okay, so I'm uploading code. There is error 8266. Yo, this error was unexpected. I got it. I forgot to select the right board. I I selected Arduino. Let's try again. Okay, so I just uploaded the code and along with it now. I think create a new text file. Then okay, got it, got it. Change my credentials, current code. Okay, so what I did is I just changed Wi-Fi credentials and I'm uploading the code again. Okay, it's going smooth like butter. And there are some changes here. अरे अरे साबण आणलं रे तू होय नाही टेकणार दाखव दम दम परत परत पुरीचा फोन आलता का तुझ्या पुरी फोन लावत तू गावाला द्या फोन लागला बघ ब्रो इट्स नॉट वर्किंग होल्ड ऑन ह्याच्यासाठी वायूंसाठी हे सेम विषय कसे वाढलेले okay guys I'm calculating total data consumption while transmitting mm, like all signals and sensor data total messages hmm दुसरं सॉफ्टवेअर वापरतोय मी. दुसरं सॉफ्टवेअर वापरतोय. हो. अरे मी हँग झालोय. हम्म. हम्म. हे घेतलं. ह्यो हँग झालाय कॅमेरा खरं. ॲक्टिवेट करायला पाहिजे. Something is wrong with this camera. काय राहिला? Yo, something is wrong with my webcam, I guess. Not sure what. पर Yo, something is wrong with my webcam, bro. I'm not sure what, but something is wrong with my webcam. I'm trying to activate my webcam, but yeah, finally got it. And Atharva is without pants on my live stream. Okay, he's with shorts. Webcam has a timing. Either. So bro is going to bro just got new soap to bath, take a shower, but the problem is we don't have water here. Okay, so where is my rover? Why can't I control my rover? I'm trying to control my rover, but the problem is I'm really able to control. Nice.
असतं दिवसभरातलं काम.
Bye. Okay, I think I should use this link on Chrome. Okay, my rover is going full crazy. Okay, my rover is working properly, but there are some changes, and I have done some changes here. But I need to uh, adjust some things. Wait, let me adjust, fix some errors. Okay. Okay, this time it's working properly. Okay, you guys can see this, I hope. Okay, so this is my rover, and we will use it, we'll control it. My MQTT web page. Just give me a second. And yeah. Okay, this is not the right one. I created another web page. A, Control C. Then I'll paste it on Chrome. Yo, is there something wrong with my cameras? Wait, just the delay. Okay, I need to post it on my Instagram. Give me a sec. That is it for today, and I will finish the robotic arm after this stream. I think we almost finished the robotic arm, but there are some things like connecting servo motors. That's the only thing remaining, and I will finish that after this stream in a less than 10 minutes. So that is it for today. It's almost 2 a.m. and thanks for showing up on the stream. Good night. See you on the next one, and bye bye. And also don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and shout out to you for watching me till 2 a.m. watching a nerd, retarded nerd, uh building some stupid rover at 2 a.m. So shout out to you. Bye bye.